Consistent watering is the key to a lush yard or beautiful garden, and Melnor's line of AquaTimers help you save on water bills while providing the right amount of water for lawns and gardens. The 3280 4-zone electronic water timer allows you to automate your watering chores, controlling when, how often, and how long you water in up to 4 areas of your lawn or garden. It is important for you to complete the assembly of your timer in the correct order. First, plug the wire of the valve unit into the control unit. Next, install 2 AA alkaline batteries. Once installed, the word OFF will be flashing on the readout beside the word manual. Rotate the L-shaped bracket to the front of the valve unit, then slide the control unit onto the bracket. Attach the valve unit to an outside faucet. Make sure all 4 valve knobs are set to timer and turn on the water supply. Attach a hose to any of the outlets and then to a sprinkler, soaker hose, or other watering tool. You can attach up to 4 hoses. To program your timer, use the yellow touchpad to the right of the LCD screen. Pressing the arrow keys will move you up or down the LCD screen. First, set the current time. Press the up key until the number beside the word time is flashing. Set the current time using the plus and minus keys until the correct time appears. Once the time is set, press the down arrow to go to the next step. Press the plus or minus key to select the zone where you will water. Each zone represents one of the outlets. You will set the other zones once the programming for the first one has been completed. Start water sets the time that watering will start. Using the same method used to set the current time, set the time to begin the first watering cycle. You can hold the key down to make the time change rapidly. Once you have finished, press the down arrow to go to Water 4. Choose the length of the watering cycle by using the plus or minus keys. You can select a cycle as long as 240 minutes. Next, at the Water Every line, select how often you wish to water. You can choose either hours or days. Keep in mind when setting the water every 1 day means once a day. Water every 7 day means once every 7 days or once a week. When you have set the time, your watering cycle and schedule, hit the down arrow to Program. Set the program to On. To set the second zone to be watered, move back to Zone and repeat the programming process for each zone you wish to program. Your timer is now programmed. Watering will now begin at your selected start water time for each programmed zone. If you need to use the water at other times, the 3280 offers 2 ways to water manually, so you can wash the car or simply add a little extra water to the lawn on a dry day. The first and easiest way is to simply turn the yellow knob above any of the 4 outlets from timer to manual. This will start the water flow immediately. There, water will remain on until you turn the valve back to timer. The second way is to open the valve with the electronic control unit. Use the up or down keys to move the manual setting. Then use the plus key to adjust the length of time you wish to water. The timer will wait 5 seconds and begin to water. Manual watering can be up to 240 minutes. The valve will automatically close after the watering time is up. When the forecast calls for wet weather, you can also save water by setting your timer for rain delay. This will temporarily suspend your automatic watering for up to 3 days. Move to rain delay and use the plus key to select the length of the delay. After that period has passed, the timer will return to the programmed operation. The 3280 timer will also work with Melnor's AquaSentry automatic rain delay. To find out more, go to www.melnor.com. To suspend automatic watering for an extended period, simply scroll to Program and change from On to Off. To resume your watering schedule, switch back to On. Watering will once again automatically begin at your selected start water time. You can change your programming anytime you want by pressing the yellow touchpad to wake the timer. Then move to the setting you wish to alter and make the change. The timer also has a memory feature, so the program will be retained when you change batteries. All you have to do is set the current time. The existing settings will remain as programmed. It's that simple. With its easy programming, the 3280 timer can help you create a beautiful environment.